Hello everyone, today we'll be talking about how to list your business on Google without address. Google Maps has helped a lot of local business to grow by being one of the most useful marketing resources. However, not every business has their physical address to be appeared on Google Maps. Nowadays, many businesses operate without having any physical address. There are a lot of businesses that don't require customers to visit a physical location, but still are valuable members of the local economy. For example, web-based companies, delivery service, and others. So how to list our business on Google without address? Google still requires a mailing address even if we don't have physical address to verify that your business exists and registered in the area. Now, how do we do this? Add your information through Google My Business, sign into Google account to move through the process, and use your business email to set up the initial Google account is preferable. After signing and entering Google My Business, enter your business address. Since you don't have a physical address, you can select I deliver goods and services to my customers. And you can continue to enter your service area and business specifics for the listing. Service areas are important because that's where your business will appear. It is recommended to enter those correctly to have your listing appear in search queries. Google Support can answer your question if you are struggling to implement the listing process. It also has an online community to communicate and to get answers from other users. Well, that's it. We hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.